Next we have exercise 8.3 in chapter 8. We have question number 1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on first one A, rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12 into 1.2 percentage per annum compounded annually. So this is very important, compounded annually. So the principal amount is 10,800 and number of years is 3 years and interest is 12 into 1 by 2 percentage. Now let us write the given data. The principal amount is rupees 10,800 and interest rate is 12 into 1 by 2 percentage. So this is in mixed fraction. Now we will convert this into simple fraction. So 12 into 2, 24, 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 2 percentage. Interest is. Next, n equal to 3 years. So we need to find the amount. So we know the formula to find the amount. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into N. So this is the formula to find the amount. So here principal amount is 10,800. 1 plus our interest rate is 25 by 2 into, here we have this 100. N is number of years is 3. So here we have 10,800 into, so now cut this 25 and 100. 125s are 25, 425s are 100. So 1 plus numerator we have 1, 2 into 4 is 8, power 3. 800. So multiply and divide by 8 into 1 into 8 plus 1 by 8 power 3. This is equal to 10,800. Here denominator we have 8 plus 1 divided by 8 power 3. So here we have 8 and plus 1. So for denominator we are taking 8 because the denominators are same. This is equal to 10,800. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 8 power 3. So we need to write these terms 3 times. Into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Now we need to divide this. So cut this 8 by 2 table. 4 2s are 8. Here 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. 2 zeros. Again cut by 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1 14. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 2 zeros. Again cut by 2 table. So we have 2,700. 1 2s are 1. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 1350. So next here we have 1350 into 9 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Again we cut this, cut by 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. And again we have 1 15. 7 2s are 14. Remaining we have 1 10. 5 2s are 10. So we have 675 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by, in denominator we have 4 into 8. So if we multiply all these terms we will get 4,92,075 rupees divided by 8 4s are 32. So if you divide this 4,92,075 by 32, the answer is 15,377.34. This is the amount. Next we need to calculate the compound interest. Compound interest equal to A minus P. Here the A amount is 15,377.34 minus principal amount is 10,800. So if you subtract 10,800 from the amount, the remaining we get is 4,077.34. So this is the compound interest. Hello students, here we have question 1 and B. Rupees 18,000 for 2 into 1 by 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So here it is compounded annually. Principal amount is 18,000 and years is n equal to 2 into 1 by 2 years. So we need to find the compound interest. First we need to find the amount and compound interest. So here is n is given in fraction. So we know the formula if the n is given in the fraction. So A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into n into 1 plus 1 by 2. The rate becomes half into R by 100. So this is the formula if n is given in fraction. So principal amount is 18,000 and 1 plus R is 10% divided by 100. N is 2 years into 1 plus 1 by 2 into R is 10% divided by 100. So here n equal to 2 into 1 by 2 years. So this 2 we need to write here. This 1 by 2 we need to write here. 18,000. So we need to take the LCM. After taking LCM, this term becomes 110 divided by 100 square into 1 plus, so cut this and this. 5 2s are 10. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10 into 20. So 1 plus 5 by 2, or again we cut by fifth table. 1 5s are 1, 4 5s are 20. So 1 plus 1 by 4. So we cut 2, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 1 5s are 5, 20 5s are 100. So remaining we have 1 plus 1 divided by 20. This is equal to 18,000. Cut this 0 and 0. Remaining we have 11 by 10 square. So into we need to take the LCM. So this in denominator we have 1. So we need to make the denominator as 20. Multiply and divide by 20. 1 by 20 divided by 1 into 20. 1 into 20 divided by 1 into 20. Next 1 by 20. So 18,000. 11 by 10 the whole square. So here the denominators are same. So take 20. Here we have 20 plus 1, 21. Now 18,000. So here we have square. We need to write 2 times. 11 by 10, 11 by 10, 21 by 20. So now we need to divide. So cut this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this one, this 0 and this one. Now you divide, cut this by 2 table. 1 2s are 1, 9 2s are 18. So we have 9 into 11 into 11 into 21. So if we multiply this 9 into 11 into 11 into 21, the answer is 22,869. So this is the amount. Next, compound interest, CA equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 22,869 minus principal is 18,000. So 4,869. Compound interest is 4,869. Hello students, we have next question is calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 62,500 for 1 into 1 by 2 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So here half compounded half yearly. So principal amount is 62,500 and n is 1 into 1 by 2 years. So here we write the principal amount 62,500 and rate is 8%. N is 1 into 1 by 2 years. So this is in mixed fraction. We will convert this into fraction. 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 years. So N is 3 by 2 years. So we know the formula to find the compound interest. So it is compounded half yearly. So the amount is A equal to principal amount into 1 plus R by 2 into 1 by 100 into 2En. So if it is compounded half yearly, the rate becomes half and n becomes twice. So principal is 62,500. 1 plus R is 8 by 2 into 1 by 100. 2 into n is 3 by 2. So cut this 2 and this 2. Now 62,500 into 1 plus, so cut this 8 and 100 by 2 table. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 0, 50. Again cut by 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 10. Cut this 2 and this 2. Next we have 1 plus 1 divided by 25. So in power we have 3. So 62,500. Here the denominators are different. Here we have 1. So we need to make the denominators 1. So multiply and divide by 25. 1 into 25 less 1 by 25 into 3. 62,500. So here the denominators are same. So 25. Here we have 25 plus 1 is 26. 25 plus 1, 23. This is equal to 62,500 into 26 by 25 power 3. Power 3 means we need to write 3 times into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. So now we will cut this 25 and this 62,500. So 125s are 25, 225s are 50, remaining we have 25. So here we will see 62,500. You divide by 25. 125s are 225s are 50. So if we subtract 50 from 62, we have 12. 12. Then take this, bring this 5 down, 125. So now we have 125. So 5 into 24, 25s are 100, 5 25s are 125. So remaining, this is 0. Remaining we have 2 zeros. So add here. So if we divide this by 25, we have 2,500. Next, cut this 125s are 25. Here 125s are 25. We have 2 zeros. And cut this by 25. 125s are 25. 4 25s are 100. So 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. So if you multiply all these 326 into 4, we get 70,304. This is the amount, and compound interest is amount minus P. So amount is 70,304 minus principal is 62,500. This is equal to, if we subtract this, you will get 7,804. Rupees 7,804. This is the compound interest. And next question is question number 1. D. Rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded off yearly. So this is compounded off yearly. You could use the year by year calculation using simple interest formula to verify. So here the principal amount is rupees 8,000, n equal to 1 year, r is 9%. So it is compounded off yearly. So we know the formula to find the compounded off yearly. P into 1 plus r by 2 into 1 by 100 2n. So principal amount is 8,000. 1 plus 9 by 2 into 1 by 100. So 2 into n is 1. Now 8,000 here. We have 1 plus 9 into 1 9. 2 into 100 is 200. So 2 into 1 is 2. 8,000. So here the denominators are different. We have 1 by 1 plus 9 by 200. To make the denominator same, we need to take LCM. So if we take LCM, we need to multiply and divide by 200. Numerator and denominator, we need to multiply and divide by 200. Plus 9 divided by 200 power 2. So 8,000. So 1 into 200 is 200. Divide by 200 plus 9 by 200. Here the denominators are same. So 8,000 into denominator is 200. Here we have 200 plus 9. 209 square. You can write 8,000 into 209 divided by 200 into 209 by 200. Now add these 2 zeros and this 2 zeros and this 1 0 and this 1 0. Now cut this by 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. This 4 and 20 by 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. This is equal to, remaining we have 209 into 209 divided by 5. So if you multiply 209 into 209, we get 43681 divided by 5. So now divide 43681 divided by 5. So 8 5s are 40. We have 3 and bring this down 36. Now 7 5s are 35. We have 1. Bring this 8 here, 18. So 3 5s are 15. We have 3. And bring this one here, 31. 6 5s are 30. Now we have balance 1. So here there is no term. So keep 1 dot here and add 1 0. So 2 5s are 10. So if we divide this, we will get our answer is 8736.2. This is the amount, and compound interest is amount minus principal. 8736.2 minus principal is 8,000. So if you subtract this, you'll get 736.2. The compound interest is 736.2. And the next question is rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So we need to find the compound interest for rupees 10,000 for 1 year at interest rate of 8%. So it is compounded half year. So here the principal amount is 10,000 rupees. Interest rate is 8% and N is 1 year. So for compounded half yearly, we know the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 1 by 100 into per 2n. So principal is 10,000 rupees. 1 plus 8 by 2 into 1 by 100. 2 into n is 1. So 10,000 into, so 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So cut 400 by 4th table. 1 4s are 4, 25 4s are 100. So we have 1 plus 1 by 25 in power 2. So we need to take the LCM. Here the denominators are different. To make it as the same, we need to multiply and divide by 25. We need to multiply and divide this 1 by 25 plus 1 by 25 into 2. 10,000 into 1 into 25 divide by 25 plus 1 by 25 per 2. So 10,000. Here the denominators are same. So take 25. 25 plus 1 is 26 power 2. So 10,000. Sorry, 10,000. 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Because it is square, we need to write two times. So here 125s are 125. Here 425s are 100. Remaining we have 2 zeros. 125s are 25. Again if we cut this 400, we have 16 25s are 400. We can take 16 into 25. So 16 into 25. 16 into 5 is 18. 2 into 16 is 32. So 0, 8 plus 2, 10. Remaining one 400. So 16 25s are 400. We have 16 into 26 into 26. So if you multiply 1626 into 26, you will get 10,816. So this is the amount, and compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount is 10,816 minus 10,000. So 816 rupees is the compound interest.